Losing your social security card can feel stressful, but don't worry, replacing it is a straightforward process if you know the right steps. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to do to get a new card, from gathering the right documents to submitting your application. Whether your card was lost, stolen, or simply misplaced, you'll learn how to handle the situation efficiently and securely. Let's get started on your path to replacing your lost social security card. Step by step. Your social security card is a key piece of identification in the United States. It's used for everything from getting a job to opening a bank account. If your card is lost or stolen, it's important to replace it as soon as possible to prevent identity theft and ensure you have the documentation you need. In this scene, we'll discuss why it's crucial to act quickly and what risks you might face if you delay replacing your card. The moment you realize your social security card is missing, take a deep breath and don't panic. Your first step should be to check all possible places where it might be: wallets, drawers, bags, or even your car. Sometimes, cards turn up in unexpected spots. If you're sure it's lost or stolen, make a note of when and where you last saw it. This information can be helpful if you need to report the loss or monitor for suspicious activity. Losing your social security card can put you at risk for identity theft. It's wise to keep an eye on your financial accounts and credit reports for any unusual activity. Consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze with the major credit bureaus if you suspect your card was stolen. Taking these precautions can help protect your personal information while you work on getting a replacement. Before you can apply for a replacement social security card, you'll need to gather specific documents to prove your identity and citizenship or immigration status. Commonly accepted documents include a U.S. passport, driver's license, or state-issued ID card. If you're not a U.S. citizen, you'll need to provide immigration documents as well. Make sure all documents are original or certified copies, photocopies, or notarized copies won't be accepted. To prove your identity, you'll need to present documents that show your name, date of birth, and preferably a recent photograph. The most commonly accepted forms are a U.S. driver's license, a state-issued non-driver identification card, or a U.S. passport. If you don't have these, the Social Security Administration may accept other documents, such as an employee ID card, school ID, or health insurance card, but these are considered secondary. If you're a U.S. citizen, you'll need to provide proof such as a U.S. birth certificate or a U.S. passport. Non-citizens must present immigration documents, like a permanent resident card or work permit. These documents help the Social Security Administration verify your eligibility for a replacement card. Always use original documents or certified copies, no photocopies, or notarized versions. Many people can request a replacement Social Security card online, but not everyone is eligible. To use the online service, you must be a U.S. citizen, age 18 or older, with a U.S. mailing address. You also need a driver's license or state-issued ID from a participating state. If you meet these requirements, the online process is fast and convenient. If you're eligible for the online application, your next step is to create a My Social Security account on the official Social Security Administration website. This secure account lets you request a replacement card, check your application status, and manage other Social Security services. Make sure to use a strong password and keep your login information safe. Once your account is set up, you can start the online application for a replacement Social Security card. The process is straightforward. You'll enter your personal information, upload scans or photos of your identification documents, and confirm your mailing address. Double-check all details before submitting to avoid delays. The online system will guide you through each step. If you don't meet the requirements for the online application, don't worry. You can still apply for a replacement Social Security card by mail or in person at your local Social Security office. The process is similar, but you'll need to fill out a paper application and provide original documents or certified copies. Let's look at how to do this step by step. To apply by mail or in person, you'll need to complete Form SS5, the official application for a Social Security card. You can download this form from the Social Security Administration's website or pick one up at your local office. Fill out the form carefully, making sure all information matches your identification documents. When filling out Form SS5, provide your full legal name, date of birth, Social Security number, if known, and other requested details. Double-check for accuracy, as errors can delay your application. If you're applying for a child, you'll need to provide the child's information and your own as the parent or guardian. After completing Form SS5, gather your original identification and citizenship or immigration documents. Place them together with your application form. If mailing, use a secure envelope, and consider using a trackable mailing service. Never send photocopies. Only originals or certified copies are accepted by the Social Security Administration. If you choose to mail your application, Send it to your local Social Security office. Addresses can be found on the SSA website. Use a secure, trackable mailing method to protect your sensitive documents. The Social Security Administration will return your original documents after processing your application. If you prefer, you can apply for a replacement Social Security card in person at your local Social Security office. Bring your completed Form SS5 and all required original documents. In-person applications can sometimes be processed more quickly, and you'll get your documents back immediately after they're reviewed. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, some Social Security offices may have limited hours or require appointments. Check the SSA website or call ahead to confirm office hours and safety protocols. Many offices encourage mailing your application instead of visiting in person to reduce in-person contact. It's important to know that the Social Security Administration does not charge a fee for replacing your Social Security card. Beware of third-party websites or services that claim to expedite the process for a fee they are not affiliated with the SSA. Always use the official SSA website or your local office. You can request up to 3 replacement Social Security cards per year and up to 10 in your lifetime. Exceptions are made for legal name changes and certain other circumstances. Keeping track of your card and limiting replacements helps prevent misuse and identity theft. Once your application is received, the Social Security Administration typically processes replacement card requests within 7 to 14 business days. Processing times may vary depending on your location and whether you applied online, by mail, or in person. You'll receive your new card by mail at the address you provided. Your new Social Security card will arrive by mail at the address you provided on your application. The envelope will not display the Social Security Administration's name for security reasons, so keep an eye out for any mail that looks official. Once you receive your card, store it in a safe place and avoid carrying it with you unless absolutely necessary. If you don't receive your replacement card within the expected time frame, contact your local Social Security office or check your application status online. Delays can happen due to mail issues or incomplete applications. The SSA can help you track your card and resolve any problems. Once you have your new Social Security card, it's important to keep it safe. Store it in a secure location, such as a locked drawer or safe. Avoid carrying your card in your wallet or purse to reduce the risk of loss or theft. Only provide your Social Security number when absolutely necessary. If you suspect your lost Social Security card is being used for identity theft, report it immediately. Contact the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the Social Security Administration. You may also want to file a police report and place a fraud alert on your credit file. Quick action can help limit any potential damage. After receiving your new Social Security card, make sure to update your records with employers, banks, and any other institutions that require your Social Security number. This ensures your information is current and helps prevent any issues with payroll, taxes, or benefits. To avoid losing your Social Security card again, keep it in a secure place and only take it out when absolutely necessary. Consider making a list of important documents and their storage locations. Staying organized can help you quickly locate your card and other vital records when needed. The Social Security Administration advises against laminating your card. Laminating can make it difficult to detect security features and may render your card invalid. Instead, use a protective sleeve if you need to carry it temporarily. Scammers may try to take advantage of people who have lost their Social Security cards by offering fake replacement services or asking for personal information. Always use the official Social Security Administration website or your local office for any card replacement needs. Never share your Social Security number with unverified sources. If you need a replacement card due to a legal name change, you'll need to provide documentation of the change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. The process is similar, but be sure to include all required documents to avoid delays. Non-citizens who need a replacement Social Security card must provide immigration documents, such as a permanent resident card or work authorization. The process may take longer due to additional verification steps. Make sure all documents are current and valid. If you're replacing a Social Security card for a child, you'll need to provide the child's birth certificate, proof of identity, and your own identification as the parent or guardian. The process is similar to replacing an adult's card, but requires additional documentation to verify your relationship. If you're living outside the United States and need to replace your Social Security card, contact the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. The process may take longer, and you'll need to provide the same identification and citizenship documents as you would in the U.S. If you've lost your card and don't remember your Social Security number, you can still apply for a replacement. The SSA can look up your number using your identification documents. Be prepared to answer questions about your personal history to verify your identity. Your Social Security number is sensitive information. Only share it when absolutely necessary, such as with employers, banks, or government agencies. Never give out your SSN over the phone or online unless you're sure of the recipient's identity and legitimacy. If you have questions or need help with your replacement application, contact the Social Security Administration directly. You can call their toll-free number, visit the official website, or go to your local office. SSA representatives can guide you through the process and answer any concerns. The Social Security Administration's website offers a wealth of resources, including forms, FAQs, and detailed instructions for replacing your card. Use these official resources to ensure you're following the correct procedures and using the latest forms. After submitting your application, you can track its status online if you applied through the SSA website. This helps you stay informed about processing times and any additional steps you may need to take. If you applied by mail or in person, you can call your local office for updates. If you need your Social Security number for urgent reasons, such as starting a new job, explain your situation to the SSA. While you may not get your card immediately, the SSA can provide a receipt or letter confirming your application, which some employers may accept temporarily. The Social Security Administration takes your privacy and security seriously. All personal information is handled with strict confidentiality, and your documents are returned after processing. Always use secure methods when submitting sensitive information. Be aware that the Social Security Administration will not call or email you to ask for your Social Security number or personal information. If you receive such a request, it's likely a scam. Always initiate contact with the SSA yourself using official channels. After submitting your replacement application, keep a copy of your completed form and any correspondence with the SSA. This record can help if there are any issues or delays with your application. Staying organized ensures a smoother process. Let's quickly recap the process. First, search for your lost card and monitor for identity theft. Gather your original documents, check if you're eligible for online application, and create a My Social Security account if so. Otherwise, complete Form SS5 and submit it by mail or in person. Track your application, receive your new card, and keep it safe. Remember, the process is free and straightforward if you follow the official steps. Replacing a lost Social Security card is manageable if you stay organized and use official resources. Always protect your personal information, avoid scams, and keep your new card in a safe place. If you have questions, reach out to the Social Security Administration for help. With these tips, you'll be prepared to handle the process smoothly and securely. Let's address some common questions. Can you get a replacement card if you don't remember your SSN? Yes, with proper identification. Is there a fee? No, it's free. How long does it take? Usually 7-14 business days. What if you're overseas? Contact the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. For more details, always check the official SSA website. Losing your Social Security card can be inconvenient, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can replace it with minimal hassle. Remember to use only official channels, protect your personal information, and keep your new card safe. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made the process clearer and less stressful for you.